special address by none other than our very own CEO, Albert Cheng, who will not need much introduction. He will be speaking on Forward SBMA 2030, Connecting Markets, Shaping Futures, SBMA's Roadmap to 2030. As an SBMA insider myself, I've got to say I'm genuinely excited about what's ahead, not just for us as a team at the SBMA, but for Singapore as a whole. So perk up and pay attention. I'm sure this one will worth your ears. Thank you. Albert, please.
Good morning. Ms. Cindy Khoo, distinguished guests from near and far, ladies and gentlemen. The speaker in front of me has given you their insight, which help us to connect to the global market and the regions. It's actually a privilege for me to welcome you to this Asia-Pacific Precious Metal Conference. This year's theme, Connecting Asia to the World, truly captures what SBMA stands for. For more than 30 years, the Singapore Bullion Market Association has been building bridges across ASEAN and the global precious metal markets. And today, I'm honored to share with you our strategic vision, Forward SBMA 2030, our roadmap for the futures. This vision builds upon the strong foundation laid by what we call Project Lion One, launched in 2011. It reflects our bold commitment to position Singapore as a regional gold hub for precious metal, a trusted connector between ASEAN countries and Singapore with the world. With Project Lion One laying the foundation, we achieved several transformative milestones. In 2012, we secured the removal of GST on investment-grade precious metals. In 2014, we welcomed our first LBMA-accredited refinery, Metalor Technologies, which has grown from an initial 50 tons capacity to currently 450 tons annually. Thirdly, we have successfully advanced a few regional players to trade through Singapore, such as YOG and MTS, just to name a few. Finally, we witnessed and supported the establishment of two world-class voting facilities, the Freeport in 2010 and the Reserve in 2024. These milestones reflect a shared vision to lay Singapore as the physical gateway and logistics center for gold in the region. Today, Asia is both the largest producer and consumer of gold. While India and China lead in scale, ASEAN market, led by Indonesia, Vietnam, Thailand, and Malaysia, are quickly growing in sophistication and impact. To name the obvious, Indonesia is one of the world's top gold producers. Vietnam, Thailand, Malaysia continue to grow their presence in the global gold jewelry export business. And Singapore, within its neutrality and infrastructure, is increasingly playing the role of connector, enabler, and hub. Fast forward today, I think Project Lion 2, which was initiated by the Management Committee of SBMA in 2018, is a strategic leap forward. In my mind, Project Lion 2 is the heart of Forward SBMA 2030. Project Lion 2 aspires to build a modern clearing and settlement system for physical gold transactions operating during Asian hour, complemented by robust voting infrastructure and ultimately custodian service for central banks. The long-term goal is to position Singapore as an alternative Asia equivalent to London and Zurich. We envision a future where the Singapore government through the Monetary Authority of Singapore, MAS, takes on a catalytic role, not necessarily as a clearing member, but as a neutral custodian, or even an observer in governance. This will help build the trust and confidence required by central banks, many of which, by policy, can only store or transact gold through another sovereign institutions. This is especially timely as gold flow continue to shift from west to east, and Asia's central banks are actually diversifying their reserve. Singapore already offers the right fundamentals, namely political and economic stability, rule of law, strong financial regulation, and a well-developed precious metal ecosystem. Project Lion 2 will build on this foundation to strengthen market liquidity, integrate physical and digital gold market, and promote responsible sourcing and ESG best practice. This is more than infrastructure. It is about Singapore claiming its role in the global gold value chain, facilitating central bank storage, enabling repos and swaps, and anchoring the next generation of gold-backed financial products. Along the way, if we can endeavor and align global standards, Project Lion 2 will focus on harmonizing regional standards and aligning them in the with global framework, particularly LBMA protocols. This includes supporting the Gold Bar Integrity (GBI) program, jointly led by LBMA and the World Gold Council, promoting consistency in bar certification, digital tracking, and responsible sourcing. This effort ensures that a kilobar or large bar refined and traded in Singapore is accepted and trusted anywhere in the world, from Hanoi to Mumbai, from Jakarta to Zurich. Forward SBMA 2030 hopefully will initiate the following 5 strategic pillars: a clearing and settlement system based in Singapore, world-class voting infrastructure recognized by central bank, digitally enabled gold product and ETF launched from Singapore, harmonized ASEAN standard for gold trade and regulation, full integration with global bullion centers, Tokyo, Shanghai, Hong Kong, Gujarat, Dubai, Istanbul, and London. We will also continue to expand derivative and digital platforms to support bullion trade, encourage logistic and refining investment, grow our marketing, education, and training program, including the Crucible magazine from SBMA and training initiative with the World Gold Council, promote sustainability and ESG adherence through the Gold Principle Group, deepen engagement through MOU and partnership with ASEAN, China, India, and the Middle East. In summary, as we connect Asia to the world, SBMA is committed to supporting innovation, driving inclusion, and building a more dynamic precious metal market across Asia-Pacific. Building Singapore into an Asia gold clearing custodian center is a long-term effort, one that will require continued collaboration between government and regulators, bullion banks and traders, voting operators, technology providers, and global institutions. Together, we can achieve this vision. In closing, I want to thank all of our members, supporters, and partners, especially Enterprise Singapore, the LBMA, and the World Gold Council, for their unwavering support over the years. Your trust and collaboration has brought us to this point. Forward SBMA 2030 is not just a vision. It's a collective commitment to shaping the future of our industry. Thank you for being part of this journey. Let's continue to connect markets and shape the future of precious metal together. Thank you.